Hey everyone. So I was thinking about introducing functions and how to teach functions to grade 10s, and one of the activities that I made up here, I was thinking, like, how can I make this more interesting? How can I make this so that they understand it better? We can tell them what they are, but actually if they do it, maybe they'll learn more by doing. And so I thought, well, I'll make a little activity here where, for example, they have a whole range of numbers. Okay, then we've got the first one is add numbers or a range of cells containing numerical data. They've got to write down what they think the function is, then perform that function on the range with that color and get an answer, and then it will tell them if they are correct or not. So for example, let's say they know that it's the word sum, so they type in sum. Okay, you can see that I've used conditional formatting and if statements, the and if statements there to put it inside there, so they know that they're getting close. So this is helping them along the way. So now they have to actually do the sum function. So they've got to go to equals sum and then add that up over there. That's the range that they need to add up. And if they've got it right, it says correct. Let's say, for example, they did something completely different and went with average. You'll notice it doesn't give them any clues just yet. Okay, and let's say they go ahead and do this correctly. The problem is that even though they might have done this correctly, they haven't followed the instructions correctly, so nothing's going to happen. Okay, so give it a try. I'm going to put this on the Tech Teachers website, download it, and maybe this is something we can use to just help them get used to typing in functions, playing around with functions, and we can make a whole bunch more as well. So this is just an idea. Use it, don't use it, it's all up to you.